Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach how you can start a trading business, crypto business and many more Bitcoin business online to start making huge amounts of money online. Today we'll be talking about how you can create a Binance app account, Binance trading app account. But before we proceed with the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the notification button after subscription so that you will be aware on anytime we make videos about trading, about using Binance to trade and making much money online. And also make sure to give us thumbs up so that we'll be glad on making more videos like this. So let's proceed. Now the first thing is what? Go to Play Store. So after going to Play Store, click on what? Search for Binance. Click on Binance and then install Binance app or any mobile you are using. Just click on install Binance and then after installation, open the Binance account. After opening, this is how Binance is going to load for you. So when the Binance upload, so click on what? Click on sign in or login button in here. So after clicking on sign in or login, this is the page Binance is going to take you to. If you want to register, click on registration button in the top right corner. After clicking on it, input your email and then enter your password. But I have already have an account, so I'll be using login at the top right corner. If you want to log in or register, click on the top right corner. So after clicking on it, so let me log into my Binance account now. So it is loading. So when you want to register, after you register, Binance will ask you to do short security verification like this. So after successful, then click on what? The Binance told you sources. So after logging or register to Binance account, then Binance will load your account like this. So then Binance will, after register with Binance will told you to complete your profile. Completing your profile is that you will have to verify your account with your either your ID card, voters card, driving license or any card you have that is valid. So if you want to verify your account, click on this verify account button, then click on verify account. So then Binance verification will be loading. So after loading, wait a second, the Binance app is loading. Look like my network is a little bit slow, so let's wait a second. So now the Binance app will load. So after Binance identity verification load finish, then you verify your account. But I don't have any ID card here with me, so I won't be able to verify my Binance account. So this is how Binance is going to load for you. So I'll be clicking on back now because I don't have ID card to verify my Binance account. So maybe in the next video I will be able to teach you how you can use Binance very well, and then I'll be also verify my Binance account. So after you create your Binance account finished, then this is how Binance is going to look for you. So now there are two Binance accounts you can use. The first one is what is Binance Lite, and the second one is what is Binance Pro. Now if you don't know much about maybe trading stuff, you can use Binance Lite to start a trading business. Now but if you want to start trading with Binance, buy more coins and trade with Binance, you have to click on Binance Pro. Now how do you get to Binance Pro? Now click on this button here, and then you see this Binance Lite. So you have to off the Binance Lite to take you to the Binance Pro. Then off the Binance Lite, and then Binance Pro will be loading. So after loading, this is how Binance Pro will load for you. So there are many features in Binance Pro that you can use. Even you will see all the trading analytics in Binance. You will see the gainers and the losers. You will see everything in Binance. As you can see now, this is the gainers. This is the gainers, and then you can see the losers. This is the losers on Binance. So after you create an account on Binance and of your Binance Lite, this is how you going to load for you. So there are many ways and many buttons in Binance. As you can see all of this. So the first one is what is home. This is how home is going to load for you, and there are many things on home page. So you can see deposit, referral, margin, launchpad, savings, and more. So maybe in the next video we'll be talking about how you can use all those things and how everything works. So but today's training, we are not going to move on that, just to make the video a little bit slow. So now the second one is what is the market. So in the market button, as you can see, this is all the market. If you can't find any market here, you can click on what? You can click on search coin pairs here. So click on search coin pairs, and maybe you want to search for Dogecoin now, or Ethereum coin. You can see it here. But if you can't find it here, you can search any coin. Maybe you want to take BTC, then you can find everything here. Just click on it, then it will open everything for you. So now after loading, so you can cancel it. Now the third one is what is the trades. So the trade is where you can buy Bitcoin or any coin. So that is where you can buy it. Now the third one, and the fourth one is what is the futures. Now see, this is the futures account where you can trade a forex on Binance. Remember, there are many trades on Binance, but we won't be able to move through that today because we are all learning on how you can create a Binance account. So maybe in the next video we'll be talking about how you can trade on Binance. So but before you can have access to that, and you can know where you publish any video, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on notification button so that you'll be alert anytime we make short videos like this. And also make sure to give us thumbs up so that you'll be able to make more video like this. Now, so the last one is the wallet. The wallet is where you can deposit, withdraw, and transfer your any coin on Binance. So there are many types on Binance, as you can see everything here. So there are many spot or what on Binance. As you can see spot here, interview, margin, futures, P2P, and there are many more. We'll be able to talk about all those coins today. Maybe in the next video we'll be able to talk about anything. Now you can see this button. This is total value of BTC you have or any coin you have. And let's go back to our home page. So as you can see now, this is how you want to create your Binance account, and this is how Binance is going to load. It's going to load for you. So you can see Binance also have a marketplace. So when you swipe Binance down like this, you will see Binance marketplace. And when you want to go back to your trading, you can click on back to home page at this downside. So click on back to home page. Now maybe in the next video we'll be talking about how you can use Binance very well and how Binance is really working. So thanks for today's training. Hope you all get it.